Newtro has built an AI agent to help creators in Argentina get on chain with Base and Zora. I'm going to create a brand new wallet using the Coinbase Smart Wallet. I can just sign up and now I'm in. Okay, how much has at Newtro Arts earned on Zora and Base? Okay, we got a kitty who wants to get in the video. And so you can see that it already looked up Newtro's address and we were able to connect their profile. Send the message. And we're able to see the total amount that they have earned. It looks like they've earned on Zora, but they have not earned anything on Base. So can we learn more about it? Can you break down? And so now we can just talk back and forth with our on-chain data to be able to see how much we've been earning and what we've been creating. We can also get info like who are my top 10 collectors. You can see some of this still is not correct. For example, before we got 390, which this should be the amount in Wei, but it looks like it thought it was in ETH and then it converted it over to Wei. So it got that incorrectly, but it did print out my top 10 collectors. So we've got our top 10 collectors. You can also ask general questions. All of Newtro's workshops have been uploaded here. So if you want to ask like, what's the difference between Web 2 and Web 3 for artists? This is going to reply using the context from Newtro's workshop. And so all of Newtro's onboarding info, all of the info that they've been teaching in Argentina in Spanish can be converted to any language. For example, I just asked this question in English, it responds. The last thing I'll demo is the fact that it's multilingual. Puedes decirme esa info en español? And if I tell it to translate it into whatever language I want, we're able to then get a printout of all that exact same info in whatever language we want, which makes the content way more accessible. So whether you're a brand new creator on chain or if you have a ton of experience and you've already got a ton of data, we've got an agent built by Newtro to help teach you the basics and how to use on-chain technology on Base, as well as to look at data across Zora and Base to be able to analyze how are you performing and how can you improve.